demonstrate for you a technique that is near and dear to my heart. Machine applique using your leftover dryer sheets. Now this technique is perfect for simple shapes. If you have something more complex, this is going to be very frustrating. But for simple shapes, this works like a charm. I hope you enjoy this demonstration. Okay, let's talk about machine applique. So when you are going to machine applique using your used dryer sheets, this is my process. This obviously only works with simple shapes. If you're going to have, like, say, a horse, you're not going to want to use this method. You're going to want to do something else. But for simple shapes like this orange peel, it works great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew a scant, maybe 1/8 of an inch around here. I'm going to slit the back and turn it inside out. And you can see this one here, I've already done that with. But let me show you how what this process looks like. Okay, I'm using a very scant 1/4 inch. If I need to stop and adjust, you can. Just make sure your needle is down when you do. I'm going to come back. I'm going to trim around this piece. I'm going to cut the points because turn it, I want it to look nice. Slit up the back. And I took my little handy dandy turning tool. Make sure this looks nice. The edge of it looks nice. That could be, the point could come out. Maybe I didn't cut that close enough, but the point could come out a little bit more. There, okay. Now I'm going to go over and press this. And then I'm going to take my background fabric, place this on top of it. I'm just going to use one pin because this dryer sheet is a little tacky. It's not going to move, but I want the pin in it anyway. Then I'm going to come back. Let me take this to the machine and show you how I'm going to use my blanket stitch to sew this down. Notice the foot that I'm using is wide because I'm going to use my blanket stitch. Put this foot, I've switched my foot out. I'm going to place this right here. I'm actually going to also very close to that edge, but on the outside. Just turn it a little bit. Okay, now I want to turn this. I mean, I'm using my machine buttonhole stitch, but you could also use a zigzag. It's work beautifully too. Using a self-threading needle, I'm going to pull these threads to the back. Just going to tie them off, and voila, machine applique. Oh, I've got that thread right there. Pull him to the back. I didn't realize I missed him. Okay, this block is complete. It's ready to go into a quilt.